Today we are in San Buono, in the town center of the village, next to the main piazza. San Buono is a small village situated in Abruzzo region on a hill with great panoramic views at just 25 minutes drive from the Adriatic Coast, with everyday essentials like shops, cafés, restaurant, pharmacy, post office, etc. And today we are looking at a recently restored townhouse that stands on 2 floors and measures approximately 45 square meters. The main entrance is on the ground floor and opens into a staircase that takes us to the first floor, where we find a small landing and a kitchen with a perfectly working fireplace, and also a pellet stove. On the same floor, proceeding, we find the master bedroom, with a balcony with double glazed windows overlooking the surrounding hills and the village. Next to it, we find the second bedroom, with a window, and completes the property a full bathroom with shower facilities. The property was fully restored. It avails of a new bathroom, new windows, and a water tank. At the moment, it doesn't avail of central heating system, but gas will be easy to connect. It is sold fully furnished, in excellent conditions, and ready to live in. For more information, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.